Hello, my fellow teachers. Fatima told me that there were some questions about the walk around, so I'm just going to do a little quick explanation. You're going to start at wherever your room is, so I'm going to do me as an example. So the first room, you're going to have 15 minutes, and you're going to explain to the kids what's going to happen. I'm going to go ahead and send out a Halloween exit ticket, and they're blank answers from 1 through 20. So each room is going to have, I believe, Fatima wanted 5 questions. Okay, so they will look at your demo, whatever demo that may be, or whatever it is you want to do at your teacher's desk, and then they're going to do the 5 questions in your room. I usually post them somewhere on a different part of the wall in the classroom, and they rotate and they do those questions. Then they move on to the next room. They're going to go out from my room, goes out into the hallway. There's going to be a chemistry student right there directing traffic and to make sure that kids do not leave to the stairwells. And they're going to go into Sara's room. And they're going to spend 10 minutes in that next room. Whoever Eric's class is going to go through the prep room. I'm going to have 2 chemistry club students in there directing traffic. And they're going to go into Fatima's room. And the students who are in Fatima's room, they're going to be, after their 15 minutes there, they're going to go in through the hallway, through the outside hallway. I'm going to have a chemistry student there. And they're going to go to Janie's room. And Janie's class is going to go through the prep room. I'm going to have 2 chem kids directing traffic in there. And they're going to lead into my room. Now, when they rotate, they'll spend, let's say, about 10 minutes. I turn on a timer. They rotate throughout the classroom. They look at my demo and my teacher's table, and they do the questions. I believe Fatima wanted some crisscross method and ionic compound questions. They'll do those 5 questions. Once the timer rings, they will move to the next room. Now, some kids may linger for maybe 30 seconds or so just to finish whatever it is that they're doing. That's normal. But if they try to linger somewhere here, the chemistry club kids are set up to make sure that they don't go anywhere in the prep room or out into the hallway. If you have any questions, please let me know. And have fun with it. Also, I almost forgot, the chemistry kids are going to come in on Tuesday after school, and they're going to set up the CSI crime scene tape. And that tape is going to follow from each class to each class. So all we're going to do is tell them follow the tape. And they're going to go in that next direction depending on where you're starting from. So like Fatima's kids will start in her room. They're going to go through the hallway and it goes in that direction. Okay, and they're going to just follow the tape. Okay, alrighty. Okay, sorry, she also asked me about lunch. Lunch, you're going to be able to have more than the 15 minutes when you have time off. You're going to be able to do, let's say, for example, my lunch is 4th period. The bell rings at 3rd period at 11:40. So 11:41 through the passing period and everything, and then the first 15 minutes of class. And so that'll give you a good 20-25 minutes for lunch. And then kids will walk around into your room. Also, same thing for conference. The first, you'll have like about 20 minutes including the passing through class to the next bell. And that gives you a good 20-25 minutes for a break or finishing lunch. And we are going to have lunch in the prep room. We're going to have some sandwiches and some, I believe, nachos. And hopefully Miss Jareen is going to help me make that. And we'll bring the chips and everything else. Okay? And I believe we might have some cake as well. All right, thank you guys.